Remember when Amazon was just about buying books online? Those days are long gone. Today, Amazon has transformed into a global marketplace, buzzing with opportunity for entrepreneurs like you. No matter where you are in the world, whether it's the United States, the United Arab Emirates, Canada, or beyond, Amazon provides a platform to showcase your products and services to a global audience. It's like having a shop on every high street in every country open 24/7. The beauty of Amazon is its global reach. Imagine selling handmade jewelry from your home in the United Kingdom and having customers in the United States, Canada, and Australia clamoring to buy it. That's the power of Amazon. It dissolves geographical borders and connects businesses with customers worldwide. Selling on Amazon isn't just about reaching a wider audience. It's about tapping into a well-established infrastructure designed to support your business growth. From secure payment gateways and marketing tools to fulfillment and customer service support, Amazon empowers you to focus on what you do best, creating and sourcing amazing products. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your journey, Amazon provides the tools and the platform to scale your business beyond borders and achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. What makes Amazon truly exceptional is its commitment to making global selling a local experience. This means tailoring its platform to meet the specific needs of sellers and customers in different countries. In the United States, for instance, Amazon offers cutting-edge artificial intelligence tools. These tools help you analyze data, predict trends, and optimize your inventory. Imagine having a virtual assistant that tells you what products to stock, how to price them, and when to run promotions. But it's not just about technology. Amazon understands that language can be a barrier to global trade. That's why they've introduced features like Arabic language support for sellers in the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. This opens up a whole new world of opportunities for entrepreneurs in the region, allowing them to connect with customers in their native language. And the support doesn't end there. Amazon has strategically placed fulfillment centers in key locations around the world. This means sellers in the United Kingdom and Canada can take advantage of cross-border selling options and integrated tax tools, simplifying the complexities of international trade. With Amazon handling the logistics, you can focus on what you're passionate about: growing your business. Amazon isn't just a marketplace, it's a comprehensive business platform equipped with tools and resources to help you succeed. One of the most popular programs is Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. With FBA, you store your products in Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they handle the packing, shipping, and customer service. It's like having a dedicated logistics team at your fingertips. Advertising is another crucial aspect of selling online, and Amazon offers powerful pay-per-click advertising tools to help you reach the right customers. These tools allow you to target specific keywords and demographics, ensuring your products are seen by shoppers who are most likely to be interested. But what if you need help managing your day-to-day business operations? That's where Amazon's virtual assistants come in. These skilled professionals can help you with everything from product listing and customer service to order processing and inventory management, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. And if you're an author, Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform is your gateway to self-publishing success. KDP allows you to upload your manuscript, set your price, and reach millions of readers worldwide, all without the need for a traditional publishing house. The beauty of Amazon is that it offers multiple paths to generating income. You don't have to be a seller to earn money on this dynamic platform. If you're tech-savvy, you can become an Amazon advertising partner, helping businesses manage their pay-per-click campaigns and optimize their ad spend. Or, if you have a knack for creating informative and engaging content, you can explore the world of Kindle Direct Publishing and earn royalties from your books. You can even tap into your inner entrepreneur and launch your own private label brand, sourcing products and selling them under your unique brand name. The opportunities on Amazon are as diverse as the entrepreneurs who use it. Whether you dream of selling handmade crafts, launching a tech gadget, or sharing your knowledge through books, Amazon provides the platform and the tools to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. So what are you waiting for? Take the time to explore the many avenues available on Amazon. Choose a path that resonates with your skills and passions, and start building your own global business right from the comfort of your home.